Today I'm actually here to show you a 6-piece brush set from BH Cosmetics, and it's actually the one that got a shout out from Omoni Oboli the other day, and boy was I excited when I got a shout out from her. Like, come on, the boost that my page got on that very day was off the chain. This is a brush set, so it's a BH Cosmetics 6-piece bright white brush set. So the brush set actually comes in this pack, and inside the pack there is a cosmetics brush. It's actually a mini size cosmetics brush because the brushes inside are actually mini brushes. They're not your normal full size makeup brushes. So let me just get them out. Okay, there's actually a silica gel bag in it. Like, what do you do when you find a silica gel bag in like a pair of shoes you got, or like a handbag you got, or like something like this? I never ever throw my silica gels away. I always keep silica gels because I read on a page that if you throw your silica gel, but the silica gel in the bag, of course, if you pop it in your wardrobe, it helps keeps your clothes nice and fresh. So I always just pop the bag of silica gel in my wardrobe. So that's, and these are the brushes. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brushes. So we're going to start with this one. So this is the biggest of them all. So like I said earlier, it's not a normal size brush. So that's a normal size brush. This is actually BH Cosmetics as well. This is a, what's it called? Smoke and Mirrors 10-piece brush set. So this is a powder brush that comes with the Smoke and Mirrors 10-piece brush set. So that's the normal size brush, and that's this one. So for me, I call these brushes to go, because it wasn't really stated that it's a mini brush set in the BH Cosmetics website. Well, I call them brushes to go because they're so easy to carry. Like, you just pop them inside the cosmetics bag it comes with, and then you pop the cosmetics bag in your bag. If you don't want to carry it in your bag, you can easily just pop the brushes in the cosmetics bag, and then you pop it in your glove compartment, or your pigeonhole, like they call it in Nigeria. Then whenever you have to touch up your face, you just go to your car, you touch up your face, and then you go back into your event. So that's that. So that's the biggest one in the brush set, and the bristles are quite dense and very soft as well. So that's one, and that's the blush brush what I have for contour brush. So that's that, and there's the foundation brush, so soft, and then it's dense as well. And there's a liner brush to line your eyes or your brows. And then there's the blending brush. That's the blending brush to blend. And then there's the eyeshadow brush. So that's the eyeshadow brush. So what do you think about the brush sets?